Hi guys, welcome back to News and Infotech. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is made by full stack. Okay, so our concept is full stack development. Okay, so before knowing this full stack, so every application was divided into three layers. So what are the layers? So you can see subheading is architecture layers. Okay, so there are three layers are available. So what are the three layers means? First layer is presentation layer, and the second layer is business layer, and the third layer is database layer. Okay, so coming to the three layers, so mainly our connection between the presentation layer and database layer, how it will be means, check the example. So I have a one register page. There is a first name, last name, create password, confirm password, and then submit button. So when I can add some inputs and clicking on submit, it will save under DB. DB is nothing but a database. So user can see this page and he can store the data inside the database. Database it will not visible, but presentation layer will visible. So presentation layer. So to develop this layer, a developer needs to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And these technologies are known as UI technologies or web technologies. Okay, fine. So after learning this presentation layer, so where we need to store our data? Inside the database layer. To learn the database, we need to study SQL. What is meant by this SQL means? This is a structured query language, so which is access the database queries. Okay. Now we need to connect this presentation layer and the database layer. To give the connection between this presentation layer and database layer, we need to use business layer. So for business layer, we can learn C# or Java or Python or Ruby or Perl. Whatever the language you require, you can study. So when you are completed these three layers, then you can say you are a full stack developer. For example, to connect the presentation layer and business layer, we have some server technologies like ASP and JSP like that. And to integrate the business layer and databases, we have a servers called AVO or JDBC. So this type of servers we have. So when you are studying finally, to get the knowledge of three layers, so we can go with some MVC frameworks. So the popular MVC frameworks are, so we can see Spring MVC we have, and we have a Django, and we have a ASP.NET MVC. So these are the most popular MVC frameworks. So first you need to study the presentation layer, you need to study the database, and you need to study the business layer programming language. Then we need to use some server side technology. We can integrate the one layer to another layer. So this way we can cover the full stack development. So if you are going with Java, so you need to study this HTML, CSS, JavaScript and SQL. If you can go with C#, you need to study HTML, CSS, JavaScript and SQL. So the presentation layer and database layer are similar for every technology, but the business layer only changing its programming languages. Okay guys, so this is about the full stack development. So if you have any queries about the full stack development, please comment your questions. And thank you for supporting our videos guys, and keep watching and keep supporting to News and Infotech. Thank you.